Now, motorists will be treated to some relief for the month of August and September after fuel prices dropped by a small margin in the latest price reviews. Super petrol has gone down by 1 shilling and 0.1 cents, while diesel increased by 1 shilling and 39 cents. Kerosene by 0.86 cents per litre. The drop in prices will now see a litre of super petrol at retail at 96 shillings and 0.8 cents, while diesel will sell at 85 shillings, kerosene retailing at 63 shillings and 4 cents per litre. The Energy and Regulatory Commission says the move follows the decrease in landed cost of imported petrol in July, as well as increase in landed cost of imported for diesel and kerosene. Average landed cost of imported super petrol decreased by 3 shillings and 10 cents per cent. Diesel went up by 4 shillings and 4.3%. And kerosene increased by 2.48%.